Hey guys, it's Shurropa here. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Minecraft mod by using Forge. So let's get into the video. Alright, so first you can go to the Forge page. I'm going to be linking this down in the description. So if you want to go there, you can. Because other websites are scams. But anyways, we're going to be doing 1.16.5. So you can install the MDK. I already have it, but I'm just going to show you how to. So basically just wait 5 seconds and then 3, 2, 1, and then you want to click the skip button and then I'll go to a download window. So, or download link thing. Anyways, yeah, I guess I'll see you inside intellija. Also, I forgot to show you this on how to make this. So you can, once you have downloaded it, you can put it into your Minecraft modding folder. Then you can make a new folder. This is gonna be Shurropa tutorial. Alright. Then you want to double click that. You can paste in the file or drag it. Then you want to extract here. I recommend you have WinRAR, but it's totally up to you if you want something else. But yeah, that's what you want to do, and then I'll show you once I'm in intellija. Yes, I am an intellija user. I don't use Eclipse. I don't really like Eclipse that much. I mean, I never really tried it, but I don't know. I just like intellija because it's nice and simple. Alright, so if it's your first time using intellija, it shouldn't look like this. It should just be blank. But yeah. Alright, so we're gonna click open, and then it should wait a while. So go to your folder and then wait a little bit until your project comes up. Now, if we click OK, it'll say trust and open Gradle project. If you don't see this, you did something wrong. And yeah. So just click trust project. Also, go to project structure and select your SDK. Mine's 1.8. Make sure you do that really fast or else it won't work. And I'll just say that. Also, if you don't have a Java home variable, I would set it. I would watch another tutorial on how to do this. So I guess I'll link it in the description. You can come back to this video, or I'll link it up on the top with the card. But yeah, it just shows you how to install that stuff. And yeah, it's 1.15.2, but don't worry about it because it's the same thing. Anyways, once you've done that, you can click OK, and then you should see build successful in 14 seconds or how long it took. And yeah, alright, so what we can now do is go to the build.gradle folder. And then you want to change your mod ID, so do com, and then this will be your YouTube name or whatever you really want. So I'm doing shurroparblx. Do not choose my name because change it to yours, because yeah. Alright, so this is gonna be alright, so the mod ID should be, usually it's like 2 letters, but if you want to have the whole entire thing, it's fine. I'm just going to do ST because it stands for Shurropa Tutorial, and then this will be ST as well. So, alright, so then I think it should be good. So in the mappings, I want to change that as well. So I want to be using snapshot version. This will be version 2021 0.309. No, I think that's it. I'm gonna check real quick. Alright, so I actually did everything correct. Well, almost. So do this. Yeah. Alright, and then I think, yeah. And you can also do Control R. This will bring up a menu. Give an example. mod, and you can just do for mod. So I guess I'll just be st, replace all. Okay, exit out of that. Alright, and then you're almost done. Make sure you click this elephant type thing. So reload the Gradle. Alright, so then it should say build successful and how long it took. Alright, so let's do the setting up process. So refactor, rename. That's, by the way, that's how you rename stuff, by the way. If you didn't know. This is your first time using IntelliJ, and that's how. I don't know if it's the same thing with Eclipse, but yeah. Alright, so then change this to your company name. That's also in the build.gradle file we set. So where is it? Yeah, shurroparblx.st. That would also be this as well. Alright. And then this could be whatever you want. So this could be literally whatever. For this, we're just going to do st. And then I'm gonna go in there. Alright. So then you should see a lot of stuff. So first, do this. Most important thing, do that. And then I actually don't know why it's erroring. Wait, can actually go here. Alright, so this will be the mod ID, st. You can leave this as is, but I'm just gonna do this. So I like doing that. Alright, and then this can be. By the way, this is going to be in the mod menu. You know how when you load up Forge, it'll say single player, multiplayer, and then it'll say mods in the little left corner. That's what it'll be. And then this will be your credits. So thanks, shurroparblx, for shurropa tutorial. Alright, and then this can be authors. So it should be shurroparblx. Description be shurropa tutorial is a mod. Alright, and yeah, save this. I actually do not know why it's erroring. Why is it erroring? Why is it? Here, let's see. Oh, alright, so also here's another thing. I would view the problems tab to see why there's an error. So go to there. If you don't know, go to View, Tool Windows, and then Problems. And the reason why is because we changed the mappings. Because as you can see, build.gradle, and if we go down to Mappings tab, where is it? There. Wait, where? Where the heck did it go? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry guys, here it is. Alright, so then, yeah, we changed the mappings. Alright, so just delete the options and boom, should be good. Alright, so, yeah. You basically, wait, yeah, we did this. Alright, congratulations. You've got your first mod working. So, now what we can do is kind of hard. So you want to go to your terminal and you're going to do /Gradle. Now I'm actually going to do this for you guys. So sometimes it's Gradle W and then gen intellij runs. You can do whatever. I just did. But anyways, sometimes that works, but it doesn't work for me. So you could also do that to clear. But anyways, sometimes you could do that, and sometimes you can do this. It works for me whenever I do this, so you can do that. Alright. Then I'll start damming, and then I'll just do all that fun stuff, and yeah. So we could just wait. Alright, so yeah, build successful in 12 seconds. Alright, so you should be all good. So now we could just save by doing Control S or do save all. You can now add a configuration, and we can do running client. I think you can even run a server, but I just won't recommend it because I never did that. But just do run client for now, because to test your mod and stuff. Alright, so really there shouldn't be really anything really, because we really didn't add anything. But this tutorial was just how to set up stuff and a lot of stuff. So yeah, you just saw an error there, but it's fine because it doesn't really matter. But anyways, as you see, go to mods, and then boom, show up a tutorial 1.16.5 and -.0, and then it says show up a tutorial. You have the version, mod ID, which is ST, credits. Thanks to shurroparblx for this shurropa tutorial. Authors, shurroparblx, license alright, reserved, and shurropa test tutorial is a mod. Alright, and then if we also go to, I think it's, yeah, mods.tom, or whatever you, yeah, so here, display name is, this is everything that is here. So yeah, we got first mod working. Congratulations. Anyways, I guess I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.